child can inherit on this planet is sound education and wholesome knowledge that continues beyond classroom. We believe that children can change the world. Given the freedom and the right atmosphere, they have immense potential to develop into responsible and creative global citizens. Among the great educational institutions at Bangalore, we have one name that stands on top, the Global School. Situated opposite Manyata Tech Park, Bangalore, has all the facilities and amenities that is required for a premier institution. Children learn best in a well-organized yet stimulating learning environment. And the Global School is a progressive school which imparts education through a holistic curriculum which is a blend of international practices with Indian values and diversity. Running a school is never a one-man show. It takes a dedicated team that share a common goal with the sole purpose of enjoying the success of every individual student. Hence, the painstaking process of selecting our team has reaped a rich haul of professionals and experienced faculty who are equally passionate in taking our mission forward.
The Educational and Cultural Trust has set up the Global School to provide affordable
instruction, playtime, sports, everything is well planned to provide a wholesome learning experience. Our children have great fun at school and at the same time are challenged academically. A team of well-experienced, dedicated faculty members ensure that our holistic curriculum is tailored to the needs of a growing child.
Mrs. Sri Priya Manuel, our academic coordinator, is a trained postgraduate in English with years of experience. Well versed in the latest teaching methodologies and learning styles, she is an integral contributor to the holistic development of our students.
I like to come to school because I learn new things and my teachers are nice. I learn good things like new
environment at the
Children learn best in a safe and stimulating environment. Right from the time a child enters the Global School, be it prayer time, circle time, class interaction, playtime, sports, everything is well planned to provide a wholesome learning experience. Our children have great fun at school and at the same time are challenged academically. A team of well-experienced, dedicated faculty members ensure that our holistic curriculum is tailored to the needs of a growing child.
Mrs. Sri Priya Manuel, our academic coordinator, is a trained postgraduate in English with years of experience. Well versed in the latest teaching methodologies and learning styles, she is an integral contributor to the holistic development of our students.
I like to come to school because I learn new things and my teachers are nice. I learn good things like new games and I have fun. I learn how to sing new songs and how to dance.
It is essential for children to feel safe and comfortable. Care is taken to ensure that every child feels at home with a warm and friendly atmosphere at school.
I believe that choosing the right school is like choosing a good house. For a child, school is the second home and teachers are the second parents. End of it, I do not want my kid to merely give an answer to the question. I want to question the answers.
Classrooms are specially designed to combine learning and fun. At the, we follow the learning center culture where our classrooms are learner-centric and the teacher is a supportive facilitator to the needs of the learners.
The school actually welcomed us with open arms. They took care of everything that we were looking for. The classroom, the ambience, the staff, the teachers, everything was like totally in place for us.
We have set up various learning areas with technology playing a part in the assimilation of knowledge. The little DNs also enjoy circle time, movie time, picnics and playtime together. and become passionate about the things they learn and do. Our students are encouraged to learn through experimentation, practical activities, and collaborative learning. The Math and Science Lab are fully equipped with the latest gadgets which enhance concept understanding. A well-equipped IT lab provides an ideal setup for our students to learn the various nuances of using technology to garner knowledge. The well-stocked library with the latest books, encyclopedias, and magazines cater to the interests of different age groups of young learners and faculty alike. Music, dance, and drama are also taught at the Global School to students based on their interests and potentials. Festivals are also celebrated with much grandeur, keeping the cultural ethos of the country. Sports and physical education is given equal importance and include both for indoor and outdoor games. Yoga and aerobics. Sports educator train the children from as young as 3 years to 16 years. Kinesthetic training and enhancing of skills and physical fitness are all part of everyday fun at school. Our unique mentoring program, which connects the home and school, is designed to bring a 5. You may reach us out at info@theglobalschool.com or admissions@theglobalschool.com. The Global School, nurturing global leaders of tomorrow. 11. The Global School, nurturing global leaders of tomorrow. 3. Or visit us at number near Manita Tech Park, Gate 1, HBR Layout, Nagabara, Bangalore 560045. You may reach us out at info@theglobalschool.com or admissions@theglobalschool.com. The Global School, nurturing global leaders of tomorrow.